we could literally lead the world from
cancer.
Welsh hill farms in the fight against cancer.
It's incredible. So inside a daffodil, what are the different components that are not only helping Alzheimer's, but now you're hoping will help cancer?
So there's an absolute cocktail of bioactive compounds produced by a daffodil. Galanthamine is the one that's well known. It's an Alzheimer's approved treatment, but there's hemanthamine, acylglycine, tazotine, lycorine, and a whole bunch of derivatives of each of those families. And there's researchers across the world have been looking at these compounds as potential therapies for different types of cancer. We've got a very warm, mild, wet spring, which daffodils love. We've got the altitude. What we need now is to put the infrastructure in place in terms of the researchers and the tech development and the clinicians to take this and absolutely transform the cancer story for the world.